Racetrack lot Dopplers and showing much today. Boy, is that nice. We've had some really gloomy weather there. That soggy end of the weekend. Of course, the severe storms that started off. And then the gloom that hung in yesterday. Today, the sun has come back out, but there's still some minor trouble spots out there. The possibility of a stray shower, thunder shower. We got a weak wave of low pressure that is tracking farther into eastern Kentucky and losing its influence, but still packing just enough of one to spark some showers. And you can easily tell what's going on here because on the back end, as we've seen, these showers are wrapping around the western edge. On the eastern side, if you look up towards Ashland, you can see it. Some of the showers on the move and tracking up into southern Ohio. So we'll likely see more development as we go through the afternoon, but it should be fairly limited and mainly centered into eastern Kentucky. Now, the East Coast is getting hammered. We're in a very blocked up pattern as far as the active systems go. And with a stalled front and essentially a moisture conveyor belt running up the East Coast, they are getting swamped. They've had big-time issues with flooding already, and there's more heavy rain coming down. Out to the desert southwest, they're all about the heat. They've got heat advisories up California, excessive heat warning, Southern California, southwestern parts of Arizona. They are literally baking out there with temperatures hitting, 117, 118 for a high. Hot for us is getting into the 90s. It's just some pretty wild and potentially record-breaking heat out there. So here we are in pretty good shape when you consider what's going on east or west. I mean, it's flooding out east. They've got scorching heat out west, and here we are with pretty typical summertime weather. In fact, we're slightly below our average high today if we stay in the low 80s. And it's muggy, and we've got, again, just that limited chance, as I was saying. Right there, you can see some development into the afternoon. Spotty little showers, maybe an isolated storm. This is where you may get into some locally heavy rain. Some of these storms that pop up will be slow movers, and it's far eastern Kentucky. We'll have to keep an eye on that through the afternoon. Should be, again, very limited, and keep hammering that home. And then into tomorrow, that low even diminishing more, but still just maybe a few parting shots of some isolated showers and thunder showers. Eastern Kentucky shouldn't be an issue here at all in the bluegrass. So we've got temperatures already up to 80 out west, 81 in Louisville, mid-60s or mid-70s in Lexington, and we've got the dew point, the measure of atmospheric humidity there, right around 70. So yeah, it's muggy. It's not oppressive, but it's pretty muggy. Even into tomorrow, we've got dew points into the afternoon, upper 60s, maybe near 70. So it's just some good old summer weather. It's warm, it's muggy. Watch for those few showers, stray storms. There may be an isolated chance trying to pop up here, but the better chance will be eastern Kentucky. And the same goes for tomorrow. Upper 60s for the overnight low. 8-day storm tracker forecast shows some really nice days. Too bad this can't be the weekend, although we do hold on to it into the weekend. Mid to upper 80s for highs, partly sunny skies. No real chance for active weather, I'm hoping, until Sunday at the earliest, but then those shower and storm chances do spike. So that'll be our next big ticket item that we're tracking, Dia, those shower and storm chances rising late in the weekend, early next week.
All right.